Hello everyone, welcome to Text Talk. My name is Anush Kumar Jha, and I'm having a 5 plus years of experience. Okay. This is the continuation of the Java interview coding problems. Okay. Today's session we will see uh, what is a palindrome number, what is a palindrome string, how to check a number is a palindrome or a string is a palindrome on. Okay, these all are the interview questions which are basically asked in real time interviews in of Java. Okay. So all in this series, whatever question I am going to cover, all the question are basically asked in the real time interview in Java. Okay. So now first, now, first we will understand what is palindrome. A palindrome number, a number which like 1 to 1. Okay. If we read 1 to 1 from the uh, from this side, it is also 1 to 1, and if also read from the back side, it is also 1 to 1. Means a number that reads the same from the backward as well as the forward, it is a palindrome number. Similarly, in string also like MA, DA, madam, if we read from the forward, then also madam. If we read from backward, then also madam. Then this is a palindrome number. Means if you want to check any string or number is palindrome or not, you have to basically, this is a madam, then you have to create a reverse. Okay, we have to create the reverse of the current number or current string. Then you have to match that original name, that is a origi, original number is equal to reverse number. If both original number and reverse numbers are equal, that is 1 to 1 equal to 1 to 1, then it is a palindrome. Same thing in string also. If original string is madam, and when we reverse the string, it also come a matter. If both they are equal, then it is a palindrome. So this thing we have to basically check. Okay. So finding a palindrome number, what we have to do, let me show you. Okay. Like this is a okay, PALIN. So what we will do, this is a main method. Okay. Now taking the input from the user, you have to create a scanner by SCA scanner, scan equal to new scanner, then system dot in. Okay, these are the all things are predefined. SCA dot scanner, scan equal to new scanner. Okay, then you system dot out dot print, enter the number, enter the number. After reading this, the user will enter the number. The number will be stored in the int num variable, scan dot next int for entering the number. Very simple. This is the basic things which everybody knows how to do till now. Okay. Now after that, then we will got the number which will be stored in the num. Okay. So let's create a one variable, original variable and reverse variable. So int org is original variable equal to num we have stored here, and int rev is basically a reverse. Currently we are storing a 0. Okay. 0. Okay. Next. Okay. Sometime my keyboard got stuck. Now what? Oh, now we will use the while loop to loop over the number. Okay. See, we have to now first while loop to a loop over a number. If while loop we are using for the condition while do while if. Okay. If num is not equal to 0, if number is not equal to 0, then this while loop basically work. Here, first int digit 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 equal to, in this variable we are storing modulus 10, num modulus 10. So here what we will get reminder. Okay, if we divide anything by 10, like 1 to 1 modulus 10, the remainder what we will get 1. Okay, after that, second reverse, rev, reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus digit digit. What here this line is doing, reverse equal to reverse. So currently reverse is 0 into 10 is something divided, 0 into 10 will be basically a 0 plus digit 1. What we will get 1. The 1 will be stored in the rev, reverse. Okay, 1 is basically stored. Next, num, that is the number divided by 10. What we will get, we will get the remaining number you will get. The remaining number you will basically get when we you divide by 10. So in this way, this process will keep on increasing. And next time, the remainder will be 12. Then this again, then here will be 21. Then here will be 1. So this way, it will keep on working, and we will get the our value. Okay. So this is the simple logic. Okay. So like in digit num modulus 10, basically what gets the digit of the number. If we divide like 121 by 10, we will 121 by 10, yeah, 123 by 4. Basically we are getting the remainder here. Okay, so the here you will get remainder 1. Okay, modulus give us remainder, and which is the last digit of the number. Okay, then after here the 12 will become, then 12 will be divided by 10, then you will get the 2. Okay, then 1 into 2, and this, then after that 1 will become, then in last volume, in this way you will get 121. It will be stored inside the reverse volume. Okay. Similarly we have reverse is basically what we do, adding the digit to a reverse number, means multiplying the current number to a reverse by 10. Okay, when we multiply a number by 10, is the shift one digit to the left side and add the new digit in this way. And when we dividing a number by 10, we are getting like here if you divide 121 and it will divide by 10, you will get the last two value. Now again it will go to here, and then here it will 12 modulus. Then in this way it will work. Okay, it will keep on increasing. Okay, that is the thing. Now simply you have to check that original number is equal to reverse number or not. So for that checking, we will basically use if condition. If our original number is org is equal to rev, that is a reverse number, then simply print sysout, that is a palindrome, palindrome, and print the number, that is org, original number. Else, इसके बाद else curly braces, not print, that's why I said looking not polygon, and print the number, that is org. Is a simple way. like 1, 2, 3, not a palindrome. 1, 2, 1 is a palindrome. Both left and right side both are same. So in this way, you have to write the program for finding the number is palindrome or not. Okay. Now we have seen how to check in integer value is palindrome or not. Okay. Now they will also ask check string is palindrome or not. Like madam is a palindrome number. Okay. Hello is not a palindrome number. Okay. So this how we will check. Okay. See, very simple. The in previous classes the code which we have written, I will remove from here else part. All the things will be same. Scanner scan, enter the sentence, enter the string. Okay. Here. The previous classes we have seen how to reverse string. Okay. The same thing. What we will do, only thing we will create a reverse variable and try to store the reverse variable inside the reverse. Okay. So string reb equal to currently empty. Okay. Nothing. Now for loop we have created for int I equal to str dot length function -1. So we will start. Oh, this is str. Okay, now it is I is basically greater than equal to 0. I plus plus scan equal to new scan equals string. uh, So here we have to change a new line, not int, it is will be new line. Now it is okay. New line basically take the string value, storing inside the string object str, ist- and create a reverse variable where it will store the reverse value. Okay. Now with the help of for loop, int I equal to str dot length -1 means we are basically start reading from the last and complete there. In this way, basically, we are going to print the reverse value and we will store the value rev reverse equal to rev plus str character array, character at I. Okay, good. Okay. In this same thing, nothing too much complicated. The same thing we have applied. Now you have to basically check what the str is equal to reverse condition if str dot equals equals basically help us to check. Okay. rev reverse. Now here I have rev and curly braces sy so you can value row and plus one thing. Oh, just one value row else print sy not row string. Here also a value row string. Simple. Save. Run. Enter the string unknown. So, uh, out of bound string index the range where I have made. Okay. where I have made it the mistake. Oh, here. It will not a plus, it will minus, it will decrement. Okay, decrement. Now run, I will check name on which it is not Palindrome. Now check madam, ABA madam, not Palindrome. One mistake I have made here. This is the space I have given. Remove the space in reverse. Okay. And here I have changed reverse equal to plus equal to st order character at I. Okay. Now we will again run the program, save and run. Now we will write MADAM, enter. It is a palindrome. So you also keep in mind, do not, if I will provide a space and run, and I will write here, uh, it will run not a palindrome. Okay. So this is the taking some spaces and some address is stored inside it. So keep it empty. And now run. Mom. Okay, palindrome. Okay. These are the small mistakes which we have to keep in mind. Okay, while working. So that's now all. See you in the next classes with the next coding interview problem. Bye bye.